So in the document that you have in Terabox, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and insert out quotes and dividers as well. Let's say, for example, I have this particular sentence. Let me just go ahead and press enter to divide this into paragraph. So now, in order to go ahead and turn this into a quote, you can simply go ahead and select it and then go around over here onto insert and then click on quote right here. Once you do that, you can see that this is faded out, and then you can see that this turns into a quote right here, just like this. So for extra information like notes and so forth, you can go ahead right here and add in, let's say, for example, quotes right here, which is denoted by a line right here, just like this. You can simply go around over here onto quote right here. So you can go ahead and select this and then even go ahead and change this out, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around over here, I can even go ahead and change it to title if I want to right here, just like this, so that it gets back to regular type of a text. But I can go ahead and select quote and then it goes back to quote right here. So apart from that, if you want to go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, lines to divide out the text in between, you can press enter, and over here on the left hand side you can click on the plus button, and then what you can do is you can go around over here and see that there's different options, but there's no divider around over here. So to do that, you can go to the insert on the top, and here you can see the divider, and there's different sort of dividers that you can bring in. For example, this one right here, you can press delete to bring it up right here, just like this. And you can even go around over here and choose, let's say, for example, different colors for the divider, but you cannot do it from here. But while inserting it itself in divider, you can see that I can go ahead and select out the color, and then as I select it, you can see the divider is there. Let me just press enter right here, and then you can go to insert onto divider. You can select a similar design or the next one, and then you get the divider right here, just like this, a visual divider to go ahead and divide out the contents that you have in Terabox Word Editor. So this is how you can go ahead and insert our quotes and divider in documents in Terabox Word Editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.